If V bar is equal to 3x y square z square I plus y cube z square j minus 2y square z cube k. Write the powers of x, y, z properly. And F bar is x square minus yz I plus y square minus zx into j plus z square minus xy into k. And we have to prove that B is solenoidal and F bar is irrotational. So what we have to prove first? Let us go in order. We will prove that V is solenoidal. For that, we have to take divergence of V or curl of V.
V, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what divergence we have to take, or curl.
Divergence.
Divergence of V we have to take. So you can say this is div of V. Okay, divergence of V. We just take it, which is divergence means it is dot product with del. So del dot V bar. Write properly, otherwise both will look same. So del means what? We have a vector dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk. Dot product with v. What is my v? 3x y square z square I plus y cube z square j minus 2 y square z cube k. Let us find the dot product. You are aware how to take it? How to take the dot product? We should multiply corresponding I, j, k coefficients and add them, isn't it? What I have to do? I coefficient is dou by dou x to be operating on this I coefficient of the second vector. Dou by dou x operating on 3x y square z square plus corresponding j coefficient you multiply. Dou by dou y operating on what? Y cube z square plus dou by dou z operating on what? Minus 2y square z cube. Am I correct with this expression? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Hope clear. Now, what is the meaning? So we have to differentiate this bracket with respect to x partially. So what is constant first? Other than x, everything is constant. Means 3y square z square comes out. Remaining x with respect to x derivative is what?
1, ma'am.
1. Similarly, with respect to y means what comes out? Z square constant. Derivative of y cube is? Y cube derivative?
3y square.
3y square. Similarly, here this is minus, so obviously this minus will come out. Along with minus, what else will come out? 2 and y square will come out. Remaining z cube with respect to z. What is the derivative? 3z square. Okay. Yeah, this is 1 second. As what we should get.
0, ma'am.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, it is not directly 0. You can clearly see this is 3 times y square z square, 3 times y square z square, and this is minus 3 2s are 6 times x square y square z square. So that obviously if you take y square z square common, 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 6 it becomes 0. Okay, so we are getting divergence of V is 0. What is the implication then? What can we call V as? What is V now?
Solenoidal vector.
Solenoidal vector field it is. Okay. Now let us show F is irrotational. So what has to be taken up?
Curl.
Curl of. Let us take curl of F, which is nothing but del cross F. Okay. So del cross means it is first determinant you write. First row is fixed as ijk. Second row is ijk coefficients of del or F. Del. Del. What they are? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. What is the I coefficient of F? Hope you have referred the question. You have written it. Tell me. X square minus yz, isn't it? What is the j coefficient of f? Y square minus zx, and here it is coefficient of k is z square minus xy, isn't it? Have you written the question or no? See, this is what we have. I'm referring the same f. Let us see the value. What we should get? We should get the answer as 0. Okay, so I into bracket. Now multiply these two. So this is dou by dou y operating on z square minus xy. Next, minus dou by dou z operating on what? Y square minus zx. Minus j into, leave the first row and the column. Dou by dou x operating on what? Please answer.
Z square minus xy.
Xy. Minus dou by dou z operating on x square minus yz. Okay. Plus k into bracket. Leave the row and the column. Multiply. So dou by dou x operating on what? Y square minus zx minus dou by dou y operating on x square minus yz. Yes. This is I into bracket. What is the derivative of this bracket with respect to y? So there is no y in z square, so it becomes 0. Then minus x out. Then remaining y with respect to y is 1. Altogether, what is the derivative of the bracket with respect to y? Minus x. Okay, so write this minus as it is. Similarly, with respect to z, so this is 0.
Minus
Again,
x.
you will get a minus x. Good. Minus j into bracket. Tell me what is the derivative of the bracket with respect to x?
Minus y.
Minus y.
Minus y.
Minus of minus y.
Minus of minus y.
Yeah, there is a symmetry so that
Plus
we could.
k.
Yeah. Here, with respect to x is
Minus z.
z.
Minus z.
Of minus
Minus
z.
of minus.
Very good. Okay, now what happens in the bracket? All the values terms get cancelled. So ultimately you'll end up with a 0 vector. So
0.
curl of any vector is 0. That implies that vector is what?
Irrotational vector.
Irrotational vector field. Okay, vector field. Hope it's clear now. Okay, I'll take now next type of example, or I'll take an example. Okay, just yeah, I'll take one different variety here. This is like find the constants A and B such that f bar, write carefully, which is equal to axy plus z cube into I plus 3x square minus z into j plus bx z square minus y into k is irrotational. And find the scalar potential function phi such that, anybody remembers how a scalar potential function exists? What is the condition it satisfies?
Delta phi, ma'am. Or del phi, ma'am.
Del phi. Continue. Equal to f bar. This is whole expression. Everything you have to use. Okay. Now, this is again a little similar, but the first part is different. What is the difference here from this to the earlier last problem we have taken in the previous class? There, the vector field was given and the question was show that it is irrotational. So what we did there, we have shown that curl of f is 0, isn't it? Now, in this question, we have to find the constant such that the given vector field is irrotational. What this means? the vector field F is already a irrotational, means what? What is the condition you have?
Curl of F is 0.
Curl of F is
Zero.
0. Make use of that condition, and from using the condition, we are going to first find A and B. Are you getting? This is what I think I gave an example of Abhishek and C01. So C01 means Abhishek and Abhishek means C01. So if the function is irrotational, means curl is 0. Curl is 0 means that function is, that vector field is irrotational. Okay, let us use the concept. Given F bar is irrotational. So what is the next implication? What this implies? If any vector field is irrotational, its curl is 0. 0 vector. So what is curl? Curl means del cross F, isn't it? Tell me what is del cross F, how to find it in terms of how we have to take.
Determinant.
Determinant. What are the elements? I, J, K. Then what I have to write the second row?
Dou by dou x.
Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row I have to write the ijk coefficients of F. What is the I coefficient of F? Can anybody help me in writing? You can help me if you are copied down the question. Okay, coefficient of I for given F is AXY plus Z cube, isn't it? What is the J coefficient?
3x square minus
3x
3x square minus Z. And K coefficient is?
bx z square minus y.
Yes, very good. So this is what? This is curl F. What is this equal to? Equal to 0 vector. See what students do know, they just go on writing. They don't equate it to 0 at each step. That is wrong thing. It is already given as irrotational, means here you have to simplify and take equated to 0. Okay. Now how can I expand it? By assigning the sign, we can easily expand it. Let us expand. So this is I into, leave the row and the column. Okay, you are aware how to take it. So shall I write little directly here? What is the meaning? Okay, let it be. I'll write it. Dou by dou y operating on bx z square minus y minus dou by dou z operating on what? 3x square minus z. Correct? Minus j into bracket. Yeah, somebody can help me in writing. Dou by dou x operating on
bx z square minus
minus dou by dou z
Dou by
operating
dou
on
z AXY
plus
AXY plus Z
z cube.
Z
Right?
cube
Plus k into bracket. Yeah, others
plus
also can
k.
answer.
Dou by dou x of
Dou by dou x operating on 3x square
3x square plus
minus
minus Z minus Z
minus
minus dou by dou y of
operating on
AXY plus Z cube.
z cube. Very good. Okay. Now, this is equal to already a 0 vector. So, this, what is the part now? This is I into bracket. What is the derivative of this bracket with respect to y? There is no y in the first term, 0. Correct?
minus
Minus
1.
1. Here, with respect to z, what is the value of the bracket?
minus 1.
Minus. Okay. Minus j into bracket.
Plus
Sorry.
minus of minus 1.
Shall I write plus 1? There is no space. This is minus
Plus
of minus 1. You are 100% right. Yes. Derivative of this bracket with respect to x. X means you will get?
BZ.
Yeah, it is bz square minus. This
Minus
will be
3
0. Minus 3
Z
z
square
square. Very good. Plus k into bracket. What will you get? With
plus
respect
k
to x means
6x
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 minus
minus AX.
ax. Very good. All of you agree? Now this 0 vector is there, that I will write it as coefficient of ijk. What are the coefficient of ijk if it is a 0 vector?
0i plus 0j.
0i plus
0i
0j
plus 0j plus 0k. Okay.
Plus 0k.
Yeah. Now here I'll not take this because already this will be now 0. See, this is 0 equal to 0i equal to 0i, done. Now here I'll take. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just equate the corresponding coefficients because this is a vector is equal to one more vector. What is the equality of vector says? If two vectors are there, we can equate the ijk coefficients, isn't it? So I'll equate the coefficients. So this is like bz square minus 3z square is equal to what? See, this is the coefficient of j. What is the coefficient of j here?
0.
0.
0.
Now you
0.
may ask me, here there is a minus. See, this minus is there. I can write this as minus 0j. No problem. So not to worry about that minus. Somehow this is 0. If this was some other quantity, we would have worried about this minus, isn't it? Am I correct? Okay. Similarly, coefficient of k are same. So coefficient of k, this is like 6x minus ax is equal to what? What is the coefficient of k? Is again 0 here. Yeah. Now here take z square common. Z cannot be 0. So if you take z square common, what will you get? B minus 3. Now z square cannot be 0. If z is 0, no, so many terms are going to be 0. So we'll take the variable not equal to 0. Or we are interested in getting the value of b. So that we can easily get by equating this as 0. Correct? So b minus 3 equal to 0 means what is b then? B is plus 3. Similarly here if you take what is common? X. What do you get? 6 minus a, no? So 6 minus a is 0. 0 means what is a?
6.
A is 6. Okay, so this will give you half of the marks allotted. Usually such problem has got some 6 to 7 marks. So 3 to 4 marks will be there till this step. Is the part clear? How we have found it? By using the condition that the given function is irrotational. So equate that curl f to 0. Curl f you go on finding because we know what is f, we know what is del. Substitute, simplify. Then when two vectors are equal, we know that we can equate the corresponding ijk coefficients. So usually what happens if there are three constants asked, no? So that time even the coefficient of I also we have to equate. Here there are only two unknowns are there. Hope the part is clear. Clear the first part. Now with this we'll write now what is f. Substitute a as 6 and b as 3. Tell me what f you will get. Substitute a as 6. So 6xy plus z cube into I plus
3x square minus z
into j plus
3x z square minus y.
3x z square minus y into k. See, nothing much. In the given f, there were a and b were unknowns. Now after finding, just we have substituted. Now what is the next part of the question asked? They have asked us to find the scalar potential function, no? Using the condition del phi equal to f. Let us use it. Right. Now, del phi is equal to f. Okay. Now what is del phi? How can we write it?
Dou phi by dou x I plus
Yes,
dou phi by
exactly.
dou y.
Dou phi by dou x I plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. Last time some students had confusions. No, I had no time. I could not explain. So now you can concentrate. We have come across a similar problem. Yeah. Again, so we are writing what is del phi, which is gradient, and we are writing f. Again, two vectors are equal means what we can do?
Corresponding side.
We can corresponding ijk coefficients can be equated. Okay. So just write on equating coefficients of I, J, K. If you don't write also, it will do. But for your understanding, I am writing. What is the coefficient of I here? Dou phi by dou x. What is the
Dou phi
coefficient
by
of
dou x.
I? 6xy
6xy
plus
plus z cube.
z cube. Now, I'll take for j later on. This only I'll simplify. Is it okay? Instead of giving all together and doing it, I'll explain one by one. Is this okay for you? Yeah. Now we have an expression for phi, but it is in terms of dou phi by dou x. How easily we can obtain the phi? By integration. Okay. So just we have to integrate this with respect to what? Is it x or y or z? See, we have an expression dou phi by dou x is equal to. I want a phi from this. So whether I have to integrate with respect to x or y or z?
X, ma'am.
X. Okay, let us integrate with respect to x. It is understood that y and z are treated as constant. Okay. Let us integrate with respect to z on both the sets. So this is like integration of dou phi by dou x with respect to x means what you will get? Please do answer. What is the integration of this part with respect to x?
3x square y plus z cube x plus f of y comma z, ma'am.
Yeah, that
Answer.
is there. You are all right. I'm asking only for LHS part. If you integrate a derivative, you will get back the function. Okay. Here, 6y is constant, right? X with respect to, integrate it x with respect to x, x square by 2. Now z cube is also constant. So constant, remaining one with respect to x will be, there will be a x. Now you can add a function. See in my notes, I have given it as f1, f2, f3. You can use it as fgh. No problems. So shall I take f1, f2, f3 or fgh? Your choice. What is important? What variable you take? Yeah, take f of which you are treating it as constant here. Which variable? Y and z. Let us take it. Okay. I'll call this as equation 1. This is after equating only coefficients of phi. Let us do it for j also. What we'll get? Coefficient of j is dou phi by dou y is equal to. What is the coefficient of j here? 3x square minus z. Correct? How can I get a phi easily from here? Integrate with respect to z. No?
Y, ma'am.
Why? Huh? Don't be shocked. Sometime I tell wrong thing to check whether you are alert or not. Yes. So this is nothing but phi equal to. If I integrate, I'll get it as phi. Yeah. Integration of 3x square with respect to y means both are constant.
3x square
Y minus. Even z
y.
is constant.
Yes, yes.
You get a y here again. Isn't it? Then what we should be, this should be added up. A function of
G of
Yes,
x and z.
yes.
Take it as equation 2. Next, we need to equate the coefficients of k now. K is dou phi by dou z equal to, help me, dou phi by dou z equal to, what will get? What is that expression? 3 x z square minus y, no? Am I correct? It should be integrated with respect to x, no?
Z.
Z, ma'am.
Z, because it is differentiated with respect to z. Let us do it. So we'll get phi equal to 3x is constant, z square integration with respect to z,
Z cube by 3.
z cube by 3 minus y constant. Integration of 1 with respect to z, we get a z. What should be added up? A function of what?
Of x comma y.
X comma y. Take this as equation 3. Now, if you just see the question, we want only one phi. But how many phi's we are getting here? There are 3 phi are there. So we should get one unique, means only one expression. So for this is 2 1s are 2 3s are, right? For that, you need to do a comparison. See, very carefully you should do, because it is not fixed for all the problems. You have to do the comparison. Just let me explain. You just concentrate. See, here first expression, you have now 3x square y, correct? Z cube x. We should choose some value for f. F means it's a function of yz. You should choose for a term either containing y or z or constant or yz, which is not present in this, which is present in equation 2 and 3. Can you observe any such term?
Z1.
Obviously.
Minus Z1.
Minus yz is correct. Not only zy, right? It has got minus yz. See, this term is present in equation 2 and 3. This is not there in 1. Am I right? So on comparison, so this process is called comparison. So f of, yz should be what? What confirmed? Minus yz or plus yz?
Minus
Minus
Y.
yz. Done. Now coming to the second equation. So second equation, we should choose some value for a function of xz. So tell me a term containing xz which is not there here, which is present in equation 1 and 3.
XZ cube.
Yes.
XZ
Agree
cube.
all of you? Xz cube is there here, xz cube is there. So that will be same. It cannot be like different. So what is the value here? Xz cube. So not to worry, easily will come to know. This requires only just some practice. Can anybody tell me what should be the function of xy should be chosen, which is present in remaining two, not
Square y.
present here?
3x square y.
3x square y.
3x
This
square.
is 3x square y. At least now clear? Those who had doubt regarding the problem, hope I clarified. Is this explanation is enough for you to understand? Okay, now what you do, you choose either equation 1, 2, 3, any one you choose and substitute for f, g, h, any one value. Okay, I'll take it in equation 3. Therefore, phi equal to xz cube minus yz. What I have to take h value as? 3x square y. You can just do it in equation 1 or 2. Same way, you are going to get the same terms. Maybe the order is different. Order will not matter. Only you have to write the correct terms. Okay, what is this called as? What is this called as? Please answer. It's called as scalar potential of F bar. Anybody has any doubt regarding this problem, you can ask, because this is one of the important examples.
Ma'am,
Huh.
in last example, we even have taken XYZ. So it means that the term which is common, we have to take that also.
What XYZ we have taken?
Last example, ma'am.
Huh. 1 second.
We have taken the term XYZ over there, ma'am.
This, no, I have not chosen. I have written same equation 3 only I have written. This part, y square, z square. This is coming in all the terms. Just see, xyz is there here, xyz is here, xyz is here.
That's what, ma'am. Which term is common, we have to take that also at the end.
And no, you are not getting my explanation, I think. See, there are 3 phi's. I have to conclude with 1 phi. Okay. So I have to substitute either in equation 1, 2 or 3. Suppose if I choose equation 1, no, what I have to write the expression? Tell me. Finally, I have to write 1 phi. 1 phi I have to write. So phi will be x square y square plus xyz plus what you have chosen f of yz there? You have chosen it as y square z square, no? Y square z square. This is the expression. This is also the expression. This I have got by using equation 3. See, it is not like you have to use all the 3. Lastly, no, when you write a unique expression, you should either use 1, 2 or 3. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, only thing here, this term has come here last, here this term has come first. That won't matter. They just check whether the terms are there or not. Even you can make use in equation 2 also. Okay, now clear. Who was that? Who was asking me?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, I'll not cut your marks. I'm very happy that you asked me the question. Don't be hesitant to tell your roll number. Okay. I will give you one example. Will all of you try? If f bar is x plus y plus az I bx plus 2y minus z into j. All of you write it. I may ask anybody to come in video mode and show me the solved part. If you are not able to show it, it's difficult. Let's see. Find ABC such that curl f bar is 0. Curl f bar is a 0 vector, and then find phi such that f bar is equal to del phi. Okay, let us just solve it. So here they have given curl f is 0 vector. That means it is del cross f is 0. What is del cross f means? We have to write I, j. You have to write I, j, k. Can anybody tell me what is the second row? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is the I coefficient of f? Okay, I would have taken a little bigger one. X plus y plus az. This is I, dou by dou x. This is x plus y plus az. Coefficient of y is bx plus 2y minus z, and coefficient of k is x plus cy plus 2z equal to 0 vector. Yeah, just expand this plus minus plus. Yeah, leave the row and the column, I into bracket. So I'll try to write directly. What is this? Derivative of this term with respect to y is how much? Tell me directly. But in exam, you need to write this step. Tell me the derivative of this with respect to y. What is the derivative of this with respect to y? Huh? Are you able to listen? Like, are you getting my voice? Yes or no?
C plus 1, ma'am.
Mat ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾಕ? Okay, C minus. Derivative of this term with respect to z is how much? These two don't contain z, so I'll get it as minus 1. Am I right? Minus j into.
Yes,
Leave the row and the column. Derivative of this term with respect to x is 1. Derivative of this
1
term with respect
minus
to z,
a
minus a, plus k into bracket. Leave the row and the column. Derivative of this with respect to x is how much? B. Derivative of this term with
b
respect to
minus
I is 1. Is a 0 vector, right? So 0 vector can be written as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Now two vectors are equal, equate them. What is the value of I coefficient here? C minus of minus 1 means C plus 1 is equal to what? Coefficient of I is what here? 0. So what is the value of C from here? Don't put your number in the chat box. What is the value of C? Minus 1. Next, 1 minus A is equal to coefficient of J is 0. Correct? So what is A? A is 1. Next, B minus 1, coefficient of K is also 0. So what is the value of B then? 1. See, I told you no, that if there are three constants, no, usually we used to have all the coefficients. We need to equate it. Okay. Therefore, so these are the values of A, B, C. Hope you have got the same. Let us find phi. Anybody has found phi? Anybody completed the problem? Okay, this is a little lengthy, so I'll just do it. So del phi is equal to F bar. Del phi means dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj, dou phi by dou zk. Equal to F. In F, you just put it xyz. Sorry, put the values of ABC. Substitute the values of ABC and take your F bar. What it is now? X plus Y. What is my A? A is 1. So Z into I. Yeah, this is my coefficient of J, no? B. B is 1 again. So 1x means X plus 2Y minus Z into J. Coefficient of K here. X, C is minus. So minus Y plus 2Z into K. Correct? What has to be done here? Equate the corresponding coefficients. What will get? Dou phi by dou x is equal to x plus y plus z. Correct? Let us integrate. Integrate with respect to what?
X.
X. Okay, I'll not write that detailed step. Hope you understood. I have explained the procedure. So we'll get phi equal to, what is the integration of x with respect to x? X is x square by 2 plus y is constant, you will get a x there. Z is constant, you will get a x there. Correct? So you should add a function of what? Yz. I'll call it as equation 1. Second, dou phi by dou y is equal to what? X plus 2y minus z. Okay? Integrate with respect to what here? Y. So it is phi equal to
Ma'am, can I just check with the equation dou phi by dou x equal to x plus y plus it's az, I guess.
that's what, after getting the value of A, you should substitute, no? Now it is known quantity. A should be substituted and taken up. Otherwise, it remains as unknown.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it has to be substituted. Okay. So now x, what is the integration of x with respect to y means xy. 2y means 2. Y becomes y square by 2 minus z is constant and you will get a y. What should be added up? Yeah, what is the last part? Dou phi by dou z equal to x minus y plus 2z. Integrate with respect to what? Integrate with respect to z. So we'll get phi equal to, what is the integration of x with respect to z is xz. Y becomes yz. And 2, integration of z is z square by 2. Correct? Yeah, all of you listen to this step where we choose f, g, h. Okay, now f of y comma z to be taken such a way that you should get a unique expression. Okay. Now here, if you just see, the number of terms are balancing, no doubt, but okay, do you have a term in yz which is not present in equation 1 but present in equation 2 and 3? Huh? Please answer. Huh?
Minus ZY.
Minus YZ. Yeah, this is present. Okay, so obviously this has to be chosen as minus YZ. But you can observe one more thing. There is one term like y square, which is present only here. There is a term z square, which is present only in equation 3. So if I don't give the preference for these, I'll not get a correct expression. Can I treat y square as a function of yz? Can I treat y square as a function of yz?
Yes.
Obviously, how can I write y square into z to the power 0? Similarly, can I treat z square as a function of yz? Again, same. Okay. So not only one term, we should take it as 3 terms. It's a little typical where we have to choose like this. If I don't choose like this, obviously my expression is not going to be correct. Agree? Okay, now you choose it as next g of xz. Am I there in the meeting? Because there is some electricity problem. लवकर हे कर